If you're looking to change the effects on multiple clips within your project, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through how you can bulk edit your clips in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Now, the technique I'm going to show here works for any type of effect within Premiere Pro, but for this example, we're going to be using the color grading effect within the software. As you can see here, I have a few clips on the timeline and they each have different grades, and the objective is to make them all look the same. So if I just go through these, we can see this one has a little bit of color to it. We can see that this one is black and white. We can see that this one has color to it. We then have a highly saturated shot, and then we have another one not so saturated. Now what I want to do is remove all of the grading from these clips at the same time, and we can do that with just one click. Now what we need to do is select every clip, we need to right click, and we need to choose remove attributes. Now this is going to bring up a remove attribute window, and what this contains is a list of all the effects that are on your clips. If you have more effects on your videos, you'll see more effects here, but we're only working with one effect in this video. So to remove the color grading from all these clips, we need to make sure we have it selected and then just choose OK. Now, as you can see, that changed that clip there and it removed the grade from that clip. Now, what I want to do is add a grade to all of these clips that makes them look similar. So what I'm going to do is go to my first clip, and just for this purpose, I'm going to use the effects in Lumetri that are already there. So if we just try this one, adds a slight nice effect to it, it boosts the colors, makes it look a lot better than what it just did. Now let's say if I want to add this very same effect to all these clips. Instead of going into each of these clips and manually doing it, we can simply go into the effect controls of this one clip. We can select Lumetri color, we can copy it by pressing Ctrl+C or Command+C on your keyboard. We can then select the rest of the clips and then paste it by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V on your keyboard. Now, if we scroll through this, we'll be able to see that the rest of the clips in our video also have that same look. That is the basics of bulk editing the attributes of your clips in Premiere Pro. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.